Today we will be testing the Stochastic Moving Average Delta Oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Stochastic Moving Average Delta Oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 798 indicators, with 325 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So we'll go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the Stochastic Moving Average Delta Oscillator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did make one minute change to this, and so I added these two lines right here. And the reason why I did that is if we scroll back here, we can kind of see the indicator a little bit better here. And so we have the blue ribbon type oscillating line here that rises up as price is trending upwards, as we have a upward momentum. And then we have the orange kind of ribbon here that starts to move downward as we have price kind of trending downward, downward type momentum. And so the idea initially was to look for these to kind of max out at the top and the bottom. But you can see that when the blue ribbon maxes out at the top, it goes into a blue line. When the orange ribbon here maxes out, it goes into a blue line as well. And so, and I feel like that is kind of late in the move. And so to kind of try to get an idea of where the ribbon starts to really move and kind of catch up to itself, I marked out these two lines here, the 25 line and the 75 line. And so if I move back here just a little bit, right here, get this in focus, there we go. And so you can see that as that blue line kind of rises, we have an upper band and a lower band. And you can see the coordinates of them over here. And so what we're looking for is when that upper band crosses above the 25 marker here that I've marked out, that is going to be a signal to go long. And again, if we hover over the coordinates here, or if I hover over the indicator here and look at the coordinates, you can see that first number there is 26.12. And so that gives us an idea of where that first line is. And then on the reverse side, that's what we're looking for if we were to look at the orange line here. So you can see how the orange line starts and crosses down below that 75 mark right there on that bar there. That would be a signal to go short. So that's what it is that we are looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Fast forward this here just a little bit. Let's see if I can, nope, can't quite jump it forward. Have to just kind of fast forward into it here. I can jump backwards, but not quite forward. All right, there we go. So we are into the year right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward. All right. So you see that we get that drop in the ribbon there as price is coming down. Looks like we would have been right about there. Looks like the first moment we cross, yep, is right there on that bar. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit more here. Looks like we bounce and get a pretty significant pullback here. Let's come up there. Let's see, what is our stop? And unfortunately, that would have stopped us out right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play it forward. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here on this one. Expected it to give us more signals in the 1 year's time, but it doesn't look like it's going to give us a whole lot here. Play it forward a little bit there. All right. So that puts us at the end of the year right there. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server. It's free to join, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of, where we post some really great advanced information. Just in general, the members here of the Patreon only channel do a really great job of just having some really great conversations about trading, posting charts where they are marking out their trades, areas of interest, just a lot of really great information. Sasquatch here is a Forex prop trader doing an amazing job trading the Forex market. And we have quite a few other members here that are also doing a really great job of market analysis in general and posting it for everyone to see. Our admin Jay is doing the futures market, and so that's really interesting stuff there as well. And so like I said, just a wonderful environment to hang out in, everybody helping everybody out and doing analysis and really just kind of supporting everyone. I highly recommend that you join us here and join us on the Patreon only channel. All right, back to our indicator here. So all right, we got one winner and one loser. So that is not going to put us at the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Obviously, we wanted more trades within the 1 year's time. Two trades is not that significant. Would have been nice to have, more trades over the 1 year. And then we could have Had it met the 60% criteria, could have tested it in the advanced testing. But as it stands, obviously this one isn't going to work out too well. Maybe on a lower time frame, this indicator might do better if it could maintain some accuracy. I mean, you can see that it gave a decent read on the trend direction. And so as this was dropping in the short side, we get a really nice long push to the downside there. Over here on this side, as the blue is rising in this uptrend, we get a really nice push to the upside here. And so obviously it is doing a relatively decent job of catching the overall trend direction of the market. It's just a matter of kind of timing it. The stop was just a little too tight on this one. Had the stop not been so tight, we would have gotten a nice move out of this. And so on a lower time frame, if it could maintain that kind of accuracy, then it could very well be a really nice indicator to use. So all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.